Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am Raj. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of Ridgid 4-gallon portable wet dry vac. It has 5 peak horsepower, which is really powerful. I mainly bought it to vacuum my car because this is really good to vacuum vehicles, but you can use it for anything. I just got it from Home Depot. It was on sale. The regular price was $145, but I got it for $100 after tax. So let's open the box and see what's inside, and then after I will test it out and you can see how it works. When you open the box, the very top you see 2 extension pipes. Then use the main hose. It's about 6 to 7 feet, I believe. Then you have the car nozzle and the main machine. That's it in the box. Now let me show you a closer look. So they included a car nozzle. This is really good to vacuum the car, but if you want, you can buy additional tools. So these are the 2 extension pipes. The good thing about this vac, it comes with a nice wheel. It's really smooth, so when you vacuum and when you move around, it will move smoothly without having any difficulty of moving it. So on both sides there's a lock, so if you pull it, let's open and see what's inside. Oh, so they have something inside too, so let's check it out. So this is a filter. There's one more accessories inside. I like the power cord is very long. I believe it's around 20 feet. So it's really good that if you planning to vacuum the car in the garage, you can plug it and then take the machine all the way to the car without any problem. To attach the hose, you see here the plastic, you press it to open, then you push it in while you're pressing it and release it, and it's going to lock it. And to remove it, the same thing. You press that plastic and then you pull it. And here you're going to attach the car nozzle if you want to vacuum the car. Also you can try this one too. They attached another accessory here. And if you want to extend it, you can attach the extension pipe to make it longer. Let's make some mess and then we will try it out and see how this machine is going to pick up those mess. We tested how it works on the hardwood. Now let's test a carpet. Here I'm going to show you a hidden function in case if you want to use as a blower, you can also do it. At the back you see a hole in there as the exhaust hole. Here you can attach the hose, and if you run the machine, that's going to work like a blower. Let me show you. Once you're done cleaning, you can wrap the cord on the top where the handle is. And at the back they have a nice storage to store all the accessories, so you can fit in everything in there, so you can have everything in one place and you're not gonna miss it when you want to clean. And then you grab it and go. And finally, make sure you take care of this machine well, especially the filter. Once you're done, make sure you open it up and get the dirt out and clean the filter and then put it back. Then the filter will last long. To remove the filter, you push it in the middle and then pull the filter out. It will come. Don't worry, it might look like it's going to break, but it is not going to break. You can throw the dirt, maybe you can use a brush to clean it. Once you properly clean, then you put it back. Overall, this is really a good machine for the price. It works amazing. I hope this video will be useful for some people. If you find it useful, please give a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in another video.